So guys, I mean take a look at the prediction we did yesterday. If you've not watched it, right, you can go back to the channel to watch the prediction that I did for you guys yesterday. I told you guys clearly, as at that time when we did the prediction, right, market was trading around a level of 4453, right? If you've not watched the channel, if you've not watched the video we did yesterday, go back to watch it. And I told you guys that markets will push up to tap a level of 4565. This is the level that I have highlighted. And guess what market did? Market eventually tapped the level that we predicted it to tap. You can see that about 90% of our analysis on gold is absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why I said to those of you guys that are yet to subscribe to the channel, since you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on gold. So I want to have you guys to have it in mind that gold will actually go to drop. Now you will be anticipating for the sell. So if you are not yet in the sell on, go to go in for the sell, right? Because gold will be giving us a bearish move. Why are we going to be expecting that sell? Let's take a look. First, we all know what a reversal pattern means. It means once market give us a reversal pattern, it means market has not changed. Now take a look at it right here, guys. At first, market was rallying up, right? Guess what market now? Market eventually give us a double top, which is a reversal pattern. Which is you all know that once the double top plays out, it means market has reversed. So this is what market has given us right here. Market has now given us a double top. So with what market is doing right here, we should be expecting market to. So let's see if we can target this level of 4374 for the day. Let's see if market will have the level for the day. So a level of 4374 is what we should be targeting for the goal. So guys, the bearish move is what we should be expecting. Go to give us a bearish move. We should continue to drop. It comes to a level of 4374. That is what we're expecting. Now zoom it out, guys. What can you say the trend is? The trend is on a downtrend. So let's zoom it back in. Let's start from here for quick analysis. If this is our low, this can be seen as our lower high. Now here is the lower low. This can also be taken to be the lower high. Now this is the lower low. This can also be seen as the lower high. Here is the lower low. This is now seen as the lower high. Now here comes the lower. You can see that this is lower low. Now market eventually gave us a pullback, which is a lower high. You can see that this lower high played out. And guess what market did right after forming the buy? It eventually gave us a double top. So after this double top, what should you be expecting market to do next? Market should continue to drop till it is what? Able to take out this low, thereby forming in. So if you are in for a long term, or probably a position trade that you can go in for the sell and hold your sell position. And by the way, you will be anticipating for a bearish move for